The main vowel sounds of American English. Number 1, E.
Read, heat, meet, seat, scene, feet. Please eat the meat and the cheese before you leave.
Number 2, it. In. Bit. This. Give. Sister. Will. City. My sister Linda will live in the big city. Number 3, A.
Late, gate, bait, fail, main, braid, wait. Jane's face looks great for her age of 88.
Number 4, let, get, end, any, fell, bread, men, said. I went to Texas for my friend's wedding. Number 5,
Last, apple, add, can, answer, class. The handsome man lost his baggage after his travels.
Number 6, stop, lock, farm, want, army, possible, got. John is positive that his car was parked in that lot. Number 7,
Come, up, jump, but, does, love, money, about. Your younger brother doesn't trust us, does he?
Number 8, all, fall, author, also, applaud, thought, fought. Paula was doing laundry all day long. Number 9,
Go, slow, so, those, post, moment, drove. Oh no, don't open the window, it's cold.
Number 10, look, took, put, foot, full, wolf, cookie. He would read the good book if he could. Number 11,
Cool, soup, moon, boot, tooth, move, true. Sue knew about the food in the room.
Number 12, her, work, sure, first, early, were, Occur. What were the first words that girl learned? Number 13. I.
Time. 9. Dry. High. Style. 5. China. I advise you to ride a bicycle in China.
Number 14. Ow. South. House. Cow. Found. Down. Town. He went out of the house for about an hour. Number 15. Oi.
Oil. Choice. Moist. Enjoy. Avoid. Voice. Let's avoid the annoying noise.